There's absolutely nothing wrong in you asking the wrong questions. What makes it correct is when you've been provided with the right answers. Nothing wrong in you making mistakes. In this case, what makes it great is when you learn from your errors and you elevate. Penetrate and meditate on the great things you desire to achieve in life. Separate yourself from people who don't want to see you thrive. Realize life is no bed of roses or a smooth pathway. There are hurdles to overcome. There are bitterness and harsh days. There will be moments of sadness and grief. And there will be moments of happiness make you feel like you want to laugh all day. During your first heartbreaks, you probably yelled at yourself in the mirror. I can't take this no more. No joking, perhaps you'd be smoking or consuming alcoholic substances like you've never done before. It's like your entire world keep crumbling. While you're grumbling, why have you done this to me? Nothing wrong in you crying, expressing your emotions. No need for fightings or commotions. We were educated poorly about love. Ignorance is like an addiction and will mess you up like drugs. What makes it wrong is when you allow your negative thoughts to become your actions. So think first and allow time to heal you. Nothing wrong in giving spaces or letting go if it not work out to be the best. Think about it, look a bit. Probably that cause the stress. Nothing wrong in you seeking advice or counseling when you really need help. Someone really love you. Don't continue to blame yourself. And after you overcome the dark phase, you will be the stronger version of self. And you will learn to love and appreciate your very own existence. In life, we encounter challenges. Tackle something new. Jackie, nothing wrong with taking risks as entrepreneurs do. If no one believes in what you're passionate about, at least you believe in you. And that's where it all started for your dreams to become true. Pawtucket poetry. Nothing wrong if I fail at first, Lori. It's all a part of the game. I'm not saying you're the worst. As long as you don't give up, try harder again. Sure, you will prevail with persistence, my friends. Winning is a must. Drake, I am Amaziyah the Great. In God, I put my trust. Tell them precisely. Mix up Barry Wagwan. Welcome to the live. Thanks for tapping in.